the International Fair of the Countries of Fuengirola, formerly known as the Fair of the Towns. Started today Thursday, April 27, 2023, until the 1st of May on the Fuengirola Fairgrounds. The fair will remain open continuously from 1 p.m. until 4 a.m. This fair was established in 1994 with a representation of 8 countries, but over the years, it has gained so much popularity that today more than 30 different nationalities participate in it, and it is visited by thousands of people in each of its editions. Today, April 27th, Children's Day will be celebrated, with attractions at 50% off their usual price throughout the day, and every day there will be a noise-free hour, from 5 to 6 in the afternoon, so that people with autism spectrum disorder can enjoy the attractions. As in previous years, the Free Entry International Trade Fair will occupy a prominent place at the entrance to the fairgrounds, alongside the fairground attractions. This year, the fair kept the same name and image as last year, as the International Fair of Countries. To improve citizens' safety, it has been decided to expand the space for security and prevention teams, reducing the number of participating countries to 32. Neither Estonia nor Ukraine will be joining in this edition. The parade will take place on Saturday, April 29th, starting at 11:30 from the Town Hall Square. Folk groups from the countries represented in the FIP 2023 will march in it, with over 1,000 people. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. And if you want to see more great videos like this one, be sure to check out my channel and explore all the other amazing content there. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.